Overall excellence. Our first finalist for the Overall Excellence Award is Rebecca Hall, Commercial Manager at BG Group. Rebecca has taken on great responsibility at a young age. Her attention to detail and ability to think strategically is invaluable when managing the complex commercial intricacies of offshore fields. Rebecca has also identified opportunities to enhance BG Group's practices in areas such as export infrastructure and stakeholder engagement.
I've been working in UK upstream for about 3 years now. I've worked on all of our non-operated assets, and I'm currently working on Buzzard and Elgin Franklin. So I manage all of the commercial work streams on those assets. So that involves negotiating new agreements, resolving any disputes that arise, and also identifying any opportunities and capitalising on those, and also identifying any risks and ensuring that we've put mitigations in place to protect our value on those assets. I think to succeed in the industry, you've really got to get in and get involved, and quite often that's projects that might not be very high profile, might not be very interesting on the face of it, but it's those sorts of projects that are really important in making sure that you protect the value of your underlying business.
Our second finalist is Donald Horsefall, Senior Operations Supervisor, Well Testing and Commissioning at Expro. Donald joined Expro in 2007 as an Assistant Well Test Technician and has quickly developed, showing outstanding leadership and customer service skills, most recently through effective management of 2 challenging contracts.
The flow assurance for this well was incredibly important because it was 10 API oil flowing from the Rowan Norway jack-up rig to the Scotch Spirit tanker, which sat just over 2 kilometres away from the rig and were flowing via a subsea pipeline. The well itself was incredibly complex because we had to ensure that our kit was not only fit for purpose but was reliable, so we could fulfil the client's requirements to get all their test objectives met. I see myself staying with Expro for a long career. I've recently post-Excite project enrolled in an MSc in Oil and Gas Engineering at the Robert Gordon University, as I now recognise that I also need academia to back up my operational knowledge to have a successful career in the upstream oil and gas industry.
Our final candidate is Keithnish, Senior Mechanical Engineer at AMEC. In just 6 years, Keith has played an integral role in key projects and is lead engineer on 2 important contracts. He oversees orders for mechanical packages worth up to £2 million and shows creativity, ingenuity and commitment in tackling technical challenges and negotiating. He demonstrates excellent interpersonal skills in managing his team, including senior colleagues.
I'm currently the lead mechanical engineer on the BG and Talisman contracts. I lead the mechanical teams, and we are responsible for the design and specification of all new mechanical equipment and also the maintenance, repair and overhaul of existing mechanical equipment offshore. I feel my most significant contribution comes to working on the highly complex and highly challenging projects on a day-to-day basis. What drives me to succeed is the successful delivery of all mechanical projects that I work on and the development of all new graduates that I work with. I see my next steps here at AMEC as project management, engineering management or mechanical discipline leadership.